Sa wild boar.
Ha? Baba ka dyan. Ayoko.
Going up, that's installation art. Puntahan natin. Babalik ulit tayo.
Going down again.
Oo.
The same route.
Yeah, because we are here at Eco Trail. Nakalagay dito.
Nalobat na agad yung ano, video. Hello! Ayan pala, gamitin mo na lang ano, video.
Kala ko dito. Eh, pag kinuhaan niya.
Di ba? Ikaw, ayan. Pagod na.
I have a great shot here. Hindi, grabe ah. For about 2,500 feet. Hello.
Pet.
Feet.
Pet.
Oh, there is an installation art. Let's proceed to...
Peggy, where are you?
Hey,
I'm here!
That'd be great, you know?
Oh, let's go upstairs. Up in the mountain.
I'm having fun.
Aray, ang buhay mo yay!
Dapat ito?
Aday?
Oo,
Hindi may bahay. May community.
Survivor!
Survivors ready! Butterfly! Kapagod!
Ready!
Ay, shit! Aray! Ay! Yan! Yan! Woo! Bigay camera!
Already at the top!
Game, go!
Hi! What's that? Video? Yes, we're here at the top.
Mabuhay! Game kami ni May. Ayan ka, Jason!
That's the Mawan village.
Yes, of our village.
Uy!
They're great.